Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change your phone number on imo. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. If you want to change your imo number for some reason, just follow the steps. To begin, launch the imo app. Tap on your profile picture from the top left corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. Now go to imo account settings. Now tap on Change phone number. Enter your new number in the box. Then tap on the Next. A SMS verification code will be sent to the phone number. Enter the code here. That's it. Your phone number is changed successfully. So in this way, you can change your imo number with ease. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.